Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal can't receive money. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we're just going to seek some community responses in the PayPal community or Quora Digest. And basically it seems that there are already some uh, countries that can have this problem. Either you are residing in Croatia or the UK, you might receive this problem and basically you will be needing just to talk to the support and ask them for guidance for this. So basically you can simply go to the help and from there you can contact the support and you can go to the message center and from there you can start asking them. Otherwise, you can try to do some other tips or some other fixes that you can try. And the first one is to log in to the PayPal and select payments on the left hand side of the page. And of course, you will need to update to another payments, etc. So basically here, either the most likely reason would receive this message is that the recipient's account has a restriction. That means if you got some restrictions, you wouldn't be able to receive the money, etc. Or the attached bank account may need to be verified or confirmed. That means you will need just to contact the support, and of course, that would be for the recipient. And here, how do I accept payments with PayPal without requiring the client to have PayPal account? So simply for that, it's preferably to just go to the message center and from there you can start asking support. Otherwise, you can simply go to the resolution center and see if there are any issues that are within your account. So from here you will find all your cases and then you can just solve these cases. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.